Today we will be diving into the top 10 most dangerous planets in the universe. Number 10, Kepler-10b. Kepler-10b is what happens when a planet forms too close to its star and never escapes. It orbits so tightly that a full year lasts less than one Earth day. The surface temperature is over 1300 degrees Celsius. This planet is not rocky like Earth, it's molten. The ground is likely an ocean of lava, constantly boiling and reshaping itself. There is no atmosphere to protect the surface. Anything exposed is blasted directly by stellar radiation. Tidal forces lock the planet in place. One side faces the star forever. Permanent daylight, permanent hell. On the star-facing side, rock melts. On the dark side, temperatures crash. The planet is literally split between fire and frozen vacuum. Kepler-10b isn't the most violent planet we know. It's worse in a quieter way. It's a reminder that rocky planets don't automatically mean Earth-like. Some are born already ruined. This is number 10, the least dangerous on a list where survival is impossible everywhere. Number 9, Kourot-7b. Kourot-7b is a planet with no stable surface. It's a rocky world, slightly larger than Earth, but it orbits so close to its star that the temperature exceeds 2000 degrees Celsius. That heat doesn't just melt rock, it vaporizes it. On the day side, stone turns into gas, silicates evaporate and rise into the sky. As the planet rotates, that rock vapor cools and falls back down as rock rain. There may be clouds made of minerals, storms of stone, lava oceans constantly churning under extreme stellar radiation. The planet is tidally locked. One side is a furnace, the other side is near absolute zero. There is no atmosphere thick enough to redistribute heat, no calm region, no survivable zone. If you could stand there, you couldn't. You'd suffocate, boil, and then be buried under molten rock. Kourot-7b isn't exploding, it's worse. It's stuck in a permanent state of geological violence. This is number 9, and it only gets more hostile from here. Number 8, HD 18973b. HD 18973b is a planet where the weather alone would kill you. This world is a hot Jupiter, larger than Jupiter itself, orbiting so close to its star that temperatures exceed 1000 degrees C. But heat isn't the worst part. Winds on this planet reach over 8,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most fighter jets, faster than hurricanes by orders of magnitude. And what's being carried by those winds? Glass. Silicate particles melt, condense, and fall as rain. But the wind throws it sideways, not droplets, shards. If you were there, the atmosphere wouldn't suffocate you first. The rain would flay you instantly. The planet is tidally locked. One side permanently blasted by starlight, the other frozen in darkness. That temperature contrast fuels endless planetary scale storms. The sky isn't blue. It's deep cobalt, scattered by mineral dust. HD 18973b doesn't need lava oceans or radiation bursts. Its normal weather cycle is already lethal. This is number 8, and the planets ahead don't just kill you with weather, they rewrite the rules entirely. Number 7, 55 Cancri E. 55. Cancri E is a planet that is actively tearing itself apart. It's a super Earth, about twice Earth's size, orbiting so close to its star that a year lasts just 18 hours. Surface temperatures exceed 2400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt and vaporize metal. This planet likely has global lava oceans, not lakes, entire hemispheres of molten rock, but the danger doesn't stop at heat. Observations suggest massive volcanic activity, plumes of molten material blasting into space. The planet's atmosphere may be made of rock vapor, not air, not gas you can breathe, but evaporated stone. Tidal forces stretch the planet constantly, kneading its interior like dough. If you were there, the ground wouldn't be solid, the sky wouldn't be safe, even space above you would be filled with debris. 55 Cancri E is not stable, it's geologically screaming. This is number 7, and we're about to cross from hostile into outright impossible. Number 5, Kepler-13. Kepler-13b is dangerous because physics itself is unstable there. This planet orbits a massive, rapidly spinning star. That spin makes the star hotter at the poles and cooler at the equator. The result? The planet is blasted unevenly. One hemisphere receives far more radiation than the other. Temperatures swing violently across the planet. The atmosphere never settles. Winds roar at thousands of kilometers per hour, trying and failing to redistribute heat. But here's the real danger. The planet's orbit is tilted. It doesn't circle neatly around the star's equator. It cuts across it at an angle, passing through extreme radiation zones repeatedly. That means constant atmospheric stripping. constant instability, no long-term equilibrium. If you were there, survival wouldn't fail in one way, it would fail in all ways at once. Radiation, heat, hurricane force winds, no stable surface conditions. Kepler-13b isn't just hostile, it's dynamically violent, and the remaining planets aren't just dangerous to stand on, they're dangerous to exist near. Number 5. WASP-76b. WASP-76b is a planet where it literally rains metal. This world is so hot that iron doesn't stay solid. On the day side, temperatures exceed 2,400 degrees, hot enough to vaporize iron into gas. That iron rises into the atmosphere, then the planet's winds carry it to the night side. There, temperatures drop just enough for the iron to condense and fall as liquid iron rain, not dust, not droplets, molten metal falling from the sky. The planet is tidally locked. One side burns under constant starlight, the other is dark and cooler, but still lethal. Winds howl at thousands of kilometers per hour, moving heat and metal across the planet non-stop. If you were there, you wouldn't suffocate first, you wouldn't burn first, you'd be hit by molten iron falling from the sky while the atmosphere tears itself apart around you. WASP-76b isn't just hostile, it's chemically violent, and the next planets don't just kill you with conditions, they don't allow matter to behave normally at all. Number 4. PSR B257+12c. This planet orbits a dead star, not a normal star, a pulsar. A pulsar is the collapsed core of a massive star, spinning hundreds of times per second and firing beams of radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. PSR B257+12c sits inside that firing range. Every rotation blasts the planet with intense gamma radiation, X-rays, relativistic particle winds. There is no atmosphere thick enough to survive this. Any surface is constantly sterilized. Temperatures swing violently as radiation pulses hit and vanish. The ground is bombarded by particles moving near light speed. If you stood there, you wouldn't burn, you wouldn't freeze, you wouldn't suffocate. Your atoms would be torn apart by radiation. What makes this worse is time. Pulsars don't calm down quickly. They stay violent for millions of years. This planet exists in a shooting gallery around one of the most hostile objects in the universe, and the remaining planets aren't just uninhabitable, they are fundamentally incompatible with life. Number 3. KEL-9b. KEL-9b is so hot that chemistry breaks. This planet orbits a blue star far hotter than our sun, so close that the planet's atmosphere reaches over 4,000 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of many stars. At these temperatures, molecules can't exist. Water doesn't survive, carbon compounds don't survive, even hydrogen starts to tear apart. The atmosphere is being ripped away in real time, forming a glowing tail stretching millions of kilometers into space. This planet doesn't have weather, it has plasma flow. Atoms are ionized, electrons stripped, magnetic fields twisted and shredded. If you were there, there would be nothing for you to interact with normally. No air, no surface chemistry, no stable matter. KEL-9b isn't dangerous because it's violent, it's dangerous because it exists in a temperature regime where matter itself stops behaving like matter. They aren't just extreme planets, they're environments where survival is physically impossible by definition. Number 2. WASP-12b. WASP-12b is a planet being torn apart by gravity itself. It orbits so close to its star that space is distorted around it. The planet isn't spherical anymore, it's stretched into an egg shape by tidal forces. Temperatures exceed 2,500 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere is superheated, inflated, and no longer bound to the planet. Gas is being stripped away continuously, forming a massive glowing stream feeding directly into the star. This isn't weather, this isn't erosion, this is planetary disintegration. Radiation levels are extreme. Ultraviolet light blasts the atmosphere apart at the atomic level. Magnetic fields are overwhelmed. Nothing shields the surface. If you were there, you wouldn't die once. You'd be destroyed in layers. First by radiation, then by tidal stretching, then by complete molecular dissociation. WASP-12b is not stable. It is actively dying on astronomical timescales. This is number 2, and the final planet isn't just dangerous to stand on, it's dangerous to exist near at all. Number 1, a planet near a black hole. The most dangerous planet imaginable is one that orbits a black hole, not falling in, just close enough to survive. From a distance, the planet looks normal, orbiting, stable, intact. But reality there is broken. Gravity is so intense that time runs slower on the planet than anywhere else. Minutes on the surface equal years far away. Radiation from the accretion disk floods the planet constantly. X-rays, gamma rays, relativistic particles. No atmosphere can block it. No magnetic field can hold. Tidal forces stretch the planet every orbit, triggering global earthquakes and volcanic resurfacing non-stop. The sky wouldn't be black, it would glow violently from warped light bending around the hole. Stars appear duplicated, space curves visibly. If you stood there, death wouldn't be dramatic. Your DNA would unravel from radiation, your body chemistry would fail as time desynchronizes, your atoms would be stretched by gravity gradients, and if the orbit decays even slightly, there is no escape. No warning, no return. The planet wouldn't explode, it would simply cross a line where the future only points inward. This is number one, not because it's violent, but because near a black hole, the universe stops giving you options. That concludes today's video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more.